In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use video in Google Slides in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to make your presentation more engaging, illustrate your points with relevant video content, or simply want to know how to utilize Google Slides more effectively, you've come to the right place. First off, let's get into Google Slides. To start, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Head over to the Google Slides website, enter your email address and password, and click Next. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can either create a new presentation or edit an existing one. Once you're in your chosen presentation, it's time to add your video. Look for the Insert option in the top menu. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options, but for now we're interested in the Video option, so go ahead and select that. Now you're going to be faced with a decision on how to add your video. You can search for a video directly on YouTube by URL, or if you have a video saved on Google Drive, you can add it from there. This flexibility ensures you can use almost any video in your presentation, making it as relevant and engaging as you need. After you've decided on the source of your video, it's time to browse and select the one you wish to add to your slide. If you're browsing YouTube, you can use the search function to find the perfect video. Alternatively, if you're using a video from Google Drive or by URL, navigate to it or paste the URL directly. Once you've found your video, click on it and then hit select to add it to your slide. With the video now added to your slide, you're free to adjust its size and placement according to your needs. You can resize the video frame by clicking and dragging its corners and move it to just the right spot on your slide for optimal viewing. Now let's ensure your video plays exactly how you want it to during your presentation. Navigate to the sample, Google Slides, or the specific slide that you've added your video to. When you start your slideshow, either by selecting View and then Present, or by clicking the Present button in the top right corner, you'll want to make sure your video highlights correctly if you're guiding an audience through your presentation. Speaking of guiding an audience, it's important not only to show, but also to tell. One handy feature of Google Slides is the speaker notes. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Open Speaker Notes. Clicking this opens a panel where you can add any relevant notes or scripts that you want to remember to say when the video is playing. This ensures you stay on track and cover all your bases during the presentation. And there you have it. You now know how to add a video to your Google Slides presentation, adjust its size and placement, ensure it plays correctly, and even how to use speaker notes to make your presentation as effective as possible. With these tools, your presentations will not only be more engaging, but will also convey your message more clearly and vividly to your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with these features to see what works best for you. Happy presenting!